Hello, I'm Todd Wohl, founding partner of Premier Estates, a global accelerated marketing company, and in conjunction with Bernadette of Turks and Caicos Property Limited, we are proud to present Prince's Turtletail Estate property located on Turks and Caicos. This stunning island retreat is owned by the estate of mega superstar and 8-time Grammy winner Prince. American musician Prince achieved international fame with numerous hit songs including 1999 and Purple Rain. Although Prince loved his hometown of Minneapolis, the Purple One could not resist escaping to this tropical paradise, where he put his mark on the estate with his characteristically creative purple driveway. Prince purchased this 10,000 square foot estate and additional surrounding parcels totaling over 6 acres to create a private peninsula called Turtletail on the secluded portion of the island. The estate is a rare opportunity to surround yourself in natural beauty combined with luxury and seclusion. This extraordinary estate features 6 bedrooms and 6 1/2 bathrooms of indoor living area with multiple outdoor living spaces and beach gazebos. Turtletail is situated on Providenciales, located on the south shore of the island. With breathtaking panoramic tranquil views, this traditional estate in Caribbean style was designed and built for maximum privacy with 2 private beaches, a 200-foot personal dock, and perched 40 feet above sea level. Additionally, the estate features a tennis court and a guard home at the entrance of the property. You may view the property at your convenience by appointment. To arrange a private viewing, contact Premier Estates at 310-698-3625 or Bernadette Hunt at 649-231-4029. We will pick you up at the airport. The auction day is July 12th, and your sealed bid should be presented on the forms provided by Premier Estates and are available at our website, premierestates.com. Your sealed bids must be accompanied by proof of funds and a registration deposit of $100,000. The winning bidder will be notified by July 16th. I look forward to assisting you in bidding on this once-in-a-lifetime auction opportunity. Thank you and best of luck.